One additional case has been recorded on the sister isle of Carriacou following the emergence of a small cluster of COVID-19 cases. The latest case, according to health officials, is a family member of the crew from the Dolly Sea. Health Minister Nicholas Steele says there are 20 tests pending related to the cluster, with more to be tested on Tuesday. It brings the total to 10 cases related to crew members of the Dolly Sea.
Tests done as of yesterday were 104. There were 3 positive. 2 of those were associated with that cluster. One other is not associated with that cluster. Contact tracing has been done or is being done with that one other case.
The health minister says it is not a case of officials on the mainland dropping their guards, as the vessel first docked at the St. George port from Trinidad before continuing its journey to Carriacou.
With respect to the dropping of the guards, no. The protocols were being followed on our end. Individuals working on, or the crew of inter-island ferries, had made an agreement and confirmed with both governments, Trinidad and Grenada, that they would stay on board their vessels because trade had to be facilitated. It would not be practical that every time a vessel went from Grenada to Trinidad to come back up, that the crew had to quarantine for the 5 days.
Steele says government may have to give serious considerations to implementing requirements for port workers and crew members of boats to be fully vaccinated.
But I think what has to change, what has to be recognized here, is that inter-island trade must continue, and as such we must make sure that it is as safe as possible. And therefore, quite likely, the requirement that all crew members are fully vaccinated and that all individuals within our ports in Trinidad, ports in Grenada, are fully vaccinated, so we protect our citizens and those who are using those port facilities as best as possible.
He, however, reiterates that there were no breaching protocols on entry to mainland Grenada, whereby the crew is tested pending their results are released to ensure the efficiency of inter-island trade. Based on the risk, Minister Steele says further ease in restrictions will be given within the realms of border control and fully vaccinated visitors. I am Gerard Joseph for GBN News.